I'm a Samoan born and raised in New Zealand, but I've spent a lot of time here in the motherland. This trip, I thought I'd try some things I'd never done before, and maybe even inspire you to try the same the next time you come home. Welcome to Samoa. Rather than just seeing a little video of me lying around on a beach, which is probably what most people would usually do here, we're going to do something a little different. We're going to go rugged, we're going to go intrepid, we're going to go off the beaten track and show you a Samoa that you will have never seen before.
Yeah, it's that summertime feeling, you know, and we got the anthem for the summer. You ready for this? Let's go. Y'all get a drink from the back room, another keg coming soon. Girls by the swimming pool, catch them for an interview. The summer rays feel good when they enter you. Sunshine, no rain, got me feeling.
Okay, so we're in Samoa. We're on the southwest coast of Aull, and the reason why we've come here is because we're here to check out the Faisuateli, which is the Samoan word for giant clams. It's about the time I tell you I can't swim. Now, this is actually quite an important story because when the tsunami came through here in 2009, it completely decimated this area, destroyed the reef, destroyed a lot of the marine life. So the fact that there are these giant clams, they're farming them here, it's helping to rejuvenate the life here and the coral and the reef. So we're going to go and check it out, and you guys should definitely do it if you come to Samoa as well. So apparently they change colour depending on what they're eating. So the microalgae, sometimes they go fluorescent pink. Today we haven't got them on a particularly colourful day, but it's still pretty awesome, man. Like, it's just so fuzzy.
It's the summertime anthem. Tip top, drop top, hip hop. Tip top, drop top, hip hop. Then we can't stop, yo, DJ.
Just came across a turtle. Added bonus, man, I love Samoa.
3, 4.
This is right here, the perils of the job. My flippers are a little bit too tight. 1, 2, up, 2, up. You know it's about to get real when you're in Samoa and you're putting your shoes on. About to go on a little hike up to some waterfalls. Ecotourism's really taking off here in Samoa, and it's pretty easy to see why when you've got stuff like this right on your doorstep. It's so awesome, you've got to make the most of it, We're trekking towards Talia, I think one of Samoa's best kept secrets. It's about an hour and a half drive from Apia City to the Lafanga area, and then a 40-minute hike led by some experienced locals. Legend has it the waterfall was created by an ailing mother, Sina Fatulua, Sina of the Two Hearts. She was so grateful to receive the gift of food from her neighbouring village, she turned herself into a rock to split the water and provide them with their own river. Her two daughters transformed themselves into birds, one white one, one black one, and they live out their days here in paradise. Samoa's really well known for like the beautiful beaches and the waterfalls and stuff, but what most people won't get to do is actually come and cruise through some of the plantations. We've got coconut trees, taros, bananas. It's actually really cool experience. So That's what I'm going to do right now, and I'm going to do it on a horse.
Because I can. And you could too. In fact, pretty much anything you want to do. Just ask a local and they'll sort you out. Look at me. I'm riding this horse. And I look like an idiot.
It's really reliant on all its exports, but funnily enough, the thing that it's most reliant on in terms of money is its remittance. It's people sending money for their families from back home in New Zealand. 12 million bucks a year. Whoa. Well, it doesn't get much more off the beaten track than this. We are going to take a pao, an original Samoan canoe, up the mangroves. Really looking forward to this. So we're actually here at Vi Villas, which is run by Jill and Laura. They offer like sleeping arrangements and stuff, but really, you know, what we're here for is to hit this mangrove, head up and just check out some of Samoa that most people would have never seen. Samoan deliverance country, bro. If you start hearing pigs squealing, I get very, very worried. Gonna geek out for a moment here. Healthy mangroves are actually a sign of a really healthy ecosystem. These things regenerate land, which is incredible. They're also pretty amazing plants because they can survive in salt water. They actually thrive in it. Think about our human bodies, we can't drink this stuff. And they make land for all us people that are starting to overpopulate it.
The Mangrove Mission is something I thoroughly recommend. It takes just a couple of hours out of your day to create an experience you'll never forget.
We're actually heading over to Mangrove Island. Samoa is made up out of 7 islands. Only 3 of them are inhabited, and Mangrove has the smallest amount of inhabitants, about 900 people.
A microphone check 1. A microphone check 2.
I've spent a lot of time in Samoa, and I have never been here, so this is definitely off the beaten track. We've chartered a local boat. We're heading over there with some locals right now. It's a little fishing boat. And we're going to check it out for the first time, all of us, all Samoans here. We've never been there, so this is well off the beaten track.
Just a 40-minute ferry ride from Aull, and you'll set foot on the most relaxed place on the planet.
So right now I'm walking down the centre of the main road in Mangrove. As you can tell, it's pretty safe because there are no cars here. No asphalt, I think it's awesome. So this is the grave of the tyrant king of Samoa. It's actually called Bali So'o, which means the fence that was never finished. He is buried here along with his 99 wives. A lot of significance in Samoan history right here.
If I could offer one piece of advice for when you're in Samoa, it's this. Take your tourist hat off and talk to people. Everyone's so friendly here, and it will make your experience that much richer.
We just got gifted these beautiful hats from a very beautiful lady. So now we're rocking some local island, Mangrove Island hats. Samoan hat for a palangi, for a white guy. I love it too. One thing you notice when you come here is that it's really peaceful. It's quiet. There are no dogs. Everyone's just chilling out. You know, they're playing cricket. They're swimming in the sea. They're in their cars. Everyone's just relaxed. And you set foot on this place. You walk around it. You actually feel super relaxed. Like you just absorb the quiet and the peace and just the chilled out nature of the place. It's awesome. I love it. I'm definitely coming back.
From the mountains to the sea and beyond, Samoa has something for everyone. So for all of you Kiwi Islanders out there like me, the next time you visit the motherland, this is definitely how it should be done.
It's been Samoa Off the Beaten Track. Hope you enjoyed.